See, this is a Google bookmark. This bookmark we can promote by your website, YouTube URL, video mark, anything will be promoted using with this Google bookmark. It's a one-time process or link or site. One link we can promote n number of keywords. One web link we can promote n number of keywords. Now here I'm taking by one YouTube channel. I can take by one video here. Just I'm promoting this video here. Just I take this one along with title here. So here I'm going to go bookmark. The option call is add a bookmark. Okay. Select your proper keyword name along with your YouTube URL, website URL. Select by location here and select by label here. Comma. You can give by labels. Come and here. I can give by one. And we can give by digital marketing, comma, training, comma, online training. These are the labels. Now, this is called here. What is will be there? Copy, paste. It's clear? Click for. Here, very important tag will be called, label will be called. Don't miss the label called your company name, Rakesh Tech Solutions. Suppose you can give the capital and small. Both are will be complete change, not will be same. System marketing, you can use D, M will be capital. D, M will be small. And once again, both are will be not common. Both will be complete separate labels. Both will be complete separate labels. Now you take by Rakesh Tech Solution here. This comma. Click for add a bookmark. Is a only one-time process. Is only for one-time process. Look here. Add a bookmark here. What is that? System marketing training in Gayatri. When you click this one, they're going to where? Look this one. They're going to my YouTube channel. They're going to my YouTube channel here. So yeah. Now just click System marketing training for Gayatri. Only one is there. I'm clicking for Rakesh Tech Solutions. Only one is there. I'm clicking for Hyderabad. Now check. 3 will be there. System online training in Hyderabad and Selenium Web Training Online Institute in Hyderabad. 3 tags, 1 tag, 3 URL. When click, they go into for website. These are the you by the website URL. So yeah. Now clear. I'm selecting for any one video into the YouTube channel or website. Select the website here. Click for services. So here, I'm clicking for one. Copy this URL. Click this one. What option call is add a bookmark. Use the proper URL. Now, give me a title. Now, YouTube channel, video marketing. Click for add a book. Then see here. This you can write by video, YouTube channel, video marketing. Suppose you can change this content. Now click by edit. You can add by see. You will not change. Only change by name, labels, and the content. Simple like that. Click for save. It's only for one link, only for one time only. For adding by link by using with the Google Bookmarks.